Hey, beautiful soul. There will be moments you want to give up. That is when you need to rest, not quit your dreams. There will be moments you feel impatient, waiting for your work to pay off. That is the time to stay motivated by being grateful for your progress. There will be moments you are fearful. That is the time to choose faith and trust that your request will manifest. Slow down to find what you need before moving forward. Remember, every experience prepares you to triumph over the next. Needed this? Type yes to affirm and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.